Thank you, Liesel. The project situated in Joburg, and the project was done for GVK, who were the main contractor on the project for this Klipfontein project. Siteform, well, let's start there. The client's vision and functionality purposes. Client was contacted for this new clinic in a rural area to give new services and so on for the community, to make it accessible for them. When building, that brings its own challenges. However, they wanted to do a type of roofing and a type of building that actually stands out, and that can be a beacon in the community. The brief was to stand out, service the community, given purpose of longevity. Didn't want to give the picture and the idea of a temporary structure. That's why it was built in this fashion with the face bricks, and then the light steel was chosen due to its longevity. They had a big requirement in terms of possible fire distribution. Light steel gives us the opportunity to reduce that risk because there's no flammable materials, something that can ignite additionally and contribute to the spread of fire. Therefore, the architect team or the professional team pushed for a steel type structure. Light steel was chosen due to its efficiencies, the light high strength to weight ratios, effective construction. Total project values, and that's only the roofing component that Siteform worked on, was about 7 million. As Siteform, we were involved in the design. We got a conceptual design from the client, from GVK Construction, and we had to incorporate that into a proper design and a functional roof. At that point of time, the client had a big issue in terms of time because they were way behind schedule. There were some issues with the roofing procurement. Siteform were contacted to try and resolve and see if we can manage this type of roof for them. We got involved at a very late stage in the project, and at that stage we took everything to 3D designs and drawings and so on, which I then went to GVK's offices. We sat down, presented some of the drawings, highlighted the key risk areas, which was mainly in terms of waterproofing with all the box gutters. Involved, those areas were marked as high risk, and with the 3D developments and so on, we were able to present them with live solutions that will practically work and make sure that the client is at less risk for waters pushing back into the roof with box gutters, because there's always a big risk with box gutters if the downpipes are getting clogged up and so on. And therefore we designed a specific spout, like an overflow spout, to ensure that should that happen with the downpipes, that there's still somewhere where the water can go out without increasing the risk for the client in the end. As I said earlier, we got involved very late, so light steel, and with Siteform, the whole idea was, and the solution that we gave to the client is that we could be on site and start working and install very quickly. For the first couple of blocks, we started off with night shifts to make sure that the material could be on site very, very quickly after our conclusions of paperwork, which help the client to pull back their program and get on time again, as to where they would have liked to be at that point, which I do not think is possible with other construction methods, due to the quick and efficient way that light steel frame can be manufactured and assembled. To save time, we pre-assembled everything in the factory, sent it as pre-assembled trusses. Even the girders, 12-meter long girders, were sent to reduce time on site. And then the other thing that we did to save the client some time and money, on the original plans, some of these side claddings were actually planned for brickwork. And to save time, we swapped that over to some cladding, which was presented to the clients and the architects, the professional team, which they agreed upon at that stage. So that gave us the opportunity to go a lot faster, up to the point where the roofs could have been finished, towards having to wait for brickwork to be built up in those parapet walls and so on. So to a big extent, we were contacted to try and get the project back on track, back on program, due to big time losses that they've experienced up to that time. Due to the design that we have, all the different angles, it's fairly small, short span trusses. So we were able to have different teams running with these roofs concurrently, to try and catch up on time. And that is more or less the story that we had. We used iron shield roof sheeting, concealed fixed roof sheeting. For the cladding, all flashings, everything was bent in our own factory. Because we manufactured the box gutters, we knew the exact measurements. Everything was planned to the T. So the box gutters, all the flashings, everything were pre-manufactured to these different angles that were on site, to reduce time, difficulty for the installers. So they were literally only fitting all the different parts together, which also assisted a lot in saving time and giving the client the necessary progress that they required. I think I said earlier, fabrication, everything was done in the factory under strict supervision. All connections, everything was designed, double-checked in the factory, and then sent out to site for final assembly by the team on site. And that, I think, is more or less my story.